Nicholas Courtney.
Mr. Courtney? Judge.
All right. Hello, Mr. Courtney. How are you doing? So what is going on with this case?
This is an NPR. We have an agreement.
All right. Are you all ready to proceed?
Yes, you are.
Okay. And was there a hearing held on his competency in the other court?
There was, Your Honor.
All right. The court is calling 2022 CR 1615 State versus Nicholas Dean Courtney. Could I have parties announce?
Melissa Albin for the state.
Jorge Canales for Mr. Courtney.
Are you Nicholas Dean Courtney?
Yes.
All right. Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Nicholas Dean Courtney who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 1615 for the offense of assault bodily injury on a security officer on April 20th, 2022 for a period of 3 years? Is that you? All right, state.
We're going to proceed on number 5, Your Honor. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Nicholas Dean Courtney did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July and August of 2023 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
We'll waive the rest, Your Honor.
Any objections or
Okay.
waivers? By pleading true, did you understand that the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? All right, the court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. We're in agreement to revoke his community supervision and sentence him to 2 years TDC.
That is our agreement.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. And then what is happening with, does he have any new charges or no?
No.
Only this?
I'm not aware of any. He's got some out of county, but my understanding is they're in the process of being resolved, or they may have been resolved.
Okay.
That's great.
All right. Then the court will follow your agreement. The court is going to find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Nicholas Gentile, Gentile. And I request the therapeutic community. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
Nothing else.
All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. When you're released from custody, it appears that you're going to need to get in touch with mental health care professionals. So make sure you go to the Center for Healthcare Services. You understand?
Yes.
All right. Yes.
Judge, he did complete VDRF 132 days.
All right. So I give him credit for any time served for successful completion of inpatient treatment. All right. If for some reason when you're released, you can't find where you need to go, if I'm still here, you come back here. I'll make sure we find a place for you. Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good one. And thank you for dressing up. You dressed appropriate for court, and you're coming from the Bexar County Jail. I appreciate that. And Roberto Ambrosino, if I could see you, please. And if I could see the state. Just a moment. All right. Anyone else ready?
Yes, Judge, that one.
Okay. All right, who's here on Jesus Resendez? And where's, come down, please. All right, the court is calling 2019 CR 0687 State versus Jesus Resendez. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Robert Brabant for Jesus Resendez.
And are you Jesus Resendez? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilty and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jesus Resendez Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 0687 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on August 15, 2019 for a period of 8 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violation under condition number 2. On or about the 20th day of February 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jesus Resendez Jr., did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
State will waive the other violation.
Any objection to the waivers?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to add a 120-day jail sanction along with the MRT course.
All
That's
right.
our agreement, Your Honor.
So I'm not inclined to follow the agreement. This is the second motion to revoke, and it's the same thing. So I don't think he's a good candidate for probation. So the court is going to find him guilty. The court will revoke. Does anyone have a recommendation for time?
State will defer to the court.
The minimum possible. Your Honor.
All right, probation. Has he done anything while on probation?
Judge, it is intensive outpatient treatment, VIP. He completed the sanction for the UA hotline. And 34 hours of community service.
Okay. Any objection to the court reviewing the previous stipulations?
No objection from the state.
No objection, Your Honor.
And I see part of his condition was no harmful or injurious contact with the complainant. Have there been any issues with the complainant since Mr. Resendez has been placed on deferred adjudication?
Judge, on the court summary with the no harmful or injurious contact, it indicates no concerns.
All right. Then the court will find you guilty, grant the motion. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I'm getting credit.
All right, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess, because it is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? Oh, we can go off the record. I appreciate the fact that you've done certain things since you've been on probation. That's why I followed the request from your attorney for the 2 years, but you're not following through and we've been here for the same thing. So good luck to you, okay? All right, thank you.
Have a seat, sir.